Long ago, the Earth was a dying planet. Its air was thick with ash, its waters were poisoned, its lands were wracked and barren. Humanity stood at the edge of extinction, driven there by its own ambition and neglect. From the brink of collapse, we rebuilt. Technology became our salvation. The year is 2075. Civil engineering has reshaped the planet. Rich cities float above the clouds, tethered to the earth like silent giants. Self-healing structures mend themselves faster than any human hand could repair. Beneath the surface, a labyrinth of transit systems stretches across continents, bridging the world like never before. The Earth is no longer dying. However, it's not the same case for one of the people behind saving it.
Tragedy struck earlier this month during the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the highly anticipated opening of the new hospital, Synapse Research Center. According to police reports, the incident resulted in several casualties, but no survivors confirmed at this time. Engineer Lucas Esguerra, a renowned figure in the field of infrastructure and a key contributor to the project, has yet to release an official statement regarding the devastating event. The victims have been identified, but authorities are withholding their names pending investigation of their families. Investigations are currently underway to determine the cause of the incident. Dates will follow as the story develops.
Mr. Lucas Esguerra! Meron kaming warrant of arrest! Buksan niyo to!
Sabi nila, may mga lumulutang na ng mga syudad, pero hindi tulad ng amin. Hanggang ngayon, nakalubog pa rin. Tulad ng aking buhay, ang buhay ng palpak na engineer. Ang pangalan ko ay Lucas Esguerra, at hindi ko na alam ang silbi at kung sino ba ako.
Ayun! Saan ba yun? Mr. Esguerra! Tigil!
Damay ka ba dito?
Mr. Esguerra, sumuko ka na. Wala ka na rin mga matatakbuhan eh. Inaakusahan ka namin sa salang voluntary manslaughter.
Tapos ano? Ikukulong niya ako. Bilang na lang ako ng mga araw hanggat mamatay ako. Mas gugustuhin ko pang mamatay dito. Hindi nga ako yung may kasalanan eh. Hindi ako yung engineer.
Hayaan mo na kami. Lucas, I'm Marvin. Nandito ako para tulungan ka. There's been so many evidence na ikaw talagang gumagawa. But I'm going to offer you something kaysa naman makulong ka. Can I?
Hindi talaga. Ayoko na. Tuwing pumipikit na lang ako, naririnig ko lahat ng mga boses nila. Gusto ko na lang kalimutan. practically mag-aral.
What if I told you na you don't have to remember those things anymore? I'll help you move forward.
Ano?
Do you want to start all over again? Uy, good morning, Lucas. Grabe ah. Good looking ka today. Very light. Ano natin dito?
Ano ba? Ewan, siguro feeling ko kasi na everything is in the right place na. Kaso parang may kulang pa rin talaga.
Look, I know you don't remember much, pero it's nice to hear na masaya ka na. Yung mga ginawa mo noon, yung mga ginawa natin noon. Basta you're free now.
Yeah, yun nga. Kaso, alam mo yun, yung parang ang frustrating kasi hindi mo talaga maalala yung mga ginagawa mo dati. Hindi ba yung frustrating if ngayon sa'yo?
I'm just saying, whatever you did before, it's not just something anyone can forget. But look at you now. Masaya, thriving. You got a better chance in life.
Okay, mas mainam na siguro pag gano'n, di ba?
Bale, nga pala. Her patient's name is Alex Laksaman. She's already sedated na rin. You may proceed with the procedure. Lucas, ayos ka lang?
Hindi, okay lang. Ikaw na muna magtuloy dyan.
Sige lang.
Ako muna.
Sige lang.
How are you, my dear Lucas? I know na hindi ka mahilig magbasa, but here I am writing a letter to you. Things have been tough lately na. I can see your everyday frustrations. But I am so proud of you because I can see your perseverance and you being vulnerable. Kaya, pahinga ka muna. Takbuhan mo muna yung pagod mo. Punta tayo sa lugar natin. Doon sa puro makukulay na ilaw lang ang tanaw natin. But hey, run away from everything, Luke. Pero don't you ever run away from me. Kasi maghihintay ako hanggang katapusan ng sun sinukob. And when you read this letter, come back to me. Nandito pa ako. Pahinga ka naman muna. Dito sa tabi ko. Alex.
Naalala na kita.
Next, Ethan. Next. Si Lucas to, dito na ako.
Uy, Lucas, nandiyan ka na pala. By the way, tapos na pala yung memory wiping ni Alex Laksaman.
Sino ka?